In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick update on NVIDIA. We're going to be covering why I am still bullish, what I think is going to happen as we head into earnings, and we're going to cover the unusual call options that hit the options market today. Now, the reason that I have been bullish on NVIDIA for the past couple of weeks, and I'm expecting a breakout into next month, is because both aspects of my two-step trading system are now being met. The first thing is that the monthly BX trender, and you can see here, this is the monthly time frame, is currently increasing. This is our long-term model. This is the first piece of evidence or framework that we use within our analysis. And you're going to see that this looks specifically to go long when the monthly BX trender at the bottom of your screen is green or increasing. And you can see that this long-term model would have started a position back in June of 2025. Since then, the stock now is up close to 35%. And you will also notice, based off of this predictive line in purple, that this long-term model is expecting a breakout from here. If we take a look at how this model would have performed over the past 24.5 years, you will see that we would have had a 67% win rate with a 136,000% return compounded with, like we said, a 67% win rate, but a 9.36 risk versus reward ratio. So when this monthly BX trender and when this long-term model is showing a buy, it is normally relatively accurate. And more importantly, the wins significantly outweigh the losses. The one thing you will also see here is that the average length in candles is 11.3. This is very important because it means that on average, these types of breakouts in this model last 11.3 months. And since this initially happened here in June, it means that we should still see another 2 to 3 months of breaking out up to $220 to $240, just based off of statistical returns in the past. Now, if we zoom into a weekly time frame, which is what you're going to notice on this chart, you are going to see that monthly BX at the bottom of your screen once again, this time on top of a weekly time frame. That's why there's more candles. One question that I get a lot, and we explain this within all of our free courses and lectures, is what about the BX trender today? The monthly BX trender is red, and it's showing red on both charts. The thing that you have to remember is that the month of February, which is what this indicator is going off of right now, is still happening. It's still open, which means that this could flip back and forth. For instance, if NVIDIA does break out here in the next couple of weeks based off of earnings, which we'll talk about in a moment, this indicator will flip back to green. And so we cannot control anything that's going to happen in the next couple of weeks, which means that we only go off of confirmed information. We look at the prior month. And what is the prior month? It was green. You'll also notice that we're trading over the market bias, which is our trend-based indicator. So when there's buying pressure, even though it has been, sustaining a little bit and kind of getting pulled out over the past couple of months, we're still holding a bullish trend and the pressure is still there. And you'll also notice that price is compressing here. Now, we do have earnings coming up very, very soon. This, in my opinion, is obviously going to be the catalyst that either pushes us to the upside, flips the BX trender back to green, or is the nail in the coffin for us to walk away from the position. My goal here, and with all of my trading, is never to predict what is going to happen. It's always just to simply react. Once my entry or exit criteria is met, I simply respond. The goal is not to get in before the move happens. That's impossible to do long term. It's just to stick to my strategy. And with earnings coming up next week, this is going to be the make or break moment to send the stock up towards our target or down into the support. The goal, as I said before, is not to necessarily say which way it's going to go, but more so to react. Historically, this should expect a breakout with about 65% accuracy. Historically, we should see this move to the upside. Now, today, we did see an unusual order flow come through in the options market. I posted it inside of my Discord, and you'll see that these were expiring for 3/20/2026. So these expire within the next 6 weeks. The strike was $200. You'll see that it came in at $185, so about $15 out of the money. And the most important thing about this is the _A in the detail section. This means at the ask or above the ask, which means these were 100% confirmed buys. This was not somebody selling a covered call, which would be bearish. So when we see all of our criteria telling us that this is a buy, we see some unusual buying patterns happening in the market that tells us this could potentially be a buy, I'm going to be bullish. And if earnings comes around and we get this push up, monthly BX flips, I'm going to continue to hold. And in that regard, I would expect a continued expansion from here up to 210, 220, 230, which is what we've been expecting for a while now. In my opinion, the worst case scenario, price drops after earnings about 10%. That would confirm that this BX is going to close red. I will eat the 10% loss. And from there, unfortunately, I would expect a continued sell-off over the next 3 to 6 months down to $140 to worst case $120. But we cannot predict what's going to happen. I can only follow the strategy and go off of the confirmed information. Now, if you guys want access to all of the indicators that we went over in today's video and learn the strategy completely for free, the link to our course library is in the description. All of the courses are in sequential order, starting with the BX Trender, and they are truly free. We're not going to email you 1,000 times. You don't have to sign up after, you take one course, none of that. It's my way of saying thank you for all the support that you have given us in the past couple of years.